Hey everyone, what's up? This is Gerard Collins, the owner of Studio 21 Salons, your one-stop shop for hair, makeup, and photography. Here to do a product review and demonstration on one of my favorite products by Spraying. Alright you guys, so I just got done doing my client's locks and I was able to style his locks and maintain his locks in 1 hour. That's completely unheard of using any other product on the market right now. Spray and Lock allowed me to do that. It was my client's first time using the Spray and Shine product and it worked out great. He was completely amazed by it and you guys will be too. Make sure that you check out Spray and Lock's products at www.sprayandlock.com and make sure that you check me out at lockstar21_ on Instagram. Also visit us online at www.s21salon.co and book your next appointment with me. Your one-stop shop for hair, makeup, and photography services, Studio 21. Let's go.